Look guys, it's alive in the flesh. The Zino 2. Okay, it's still alive. I haven't flown it in a year. It's been a year since I had this thing out. Seriously. So let's see what's going on when I turn the app on, if it's got any kind of update or any of that crap. Because if it does, of course, you know I'm going to cancel it. Zino 2, enter device. USB cable not connected. It always says that with these Zinos. There's a new firmware. Do you want to? No, I don't. How many satellites? I got 9. Okay, that's good enough. Let me start the video up. Video's running. Okay, since I haven't flown it in the air, I'm just going to fly it around here a little bit for right this minute. Make sure it's not toilet bowling or anything. All right. So it's kind of just being a Zino. Let me turn the camera down a little bit so I can see. Okay, so now I got an ND32 on there to try to cut some of this glare, but I can still see the glare spots on the thing there, so we'll just go out to the Fireman's Center here. Now I've had this thing out like 5,000 feet, so I know the range on this thing's pretty solid. Okay, so I'm not, worrying about the range on this thing. Yeah, flying good, man. It's got 14 satellites right now. Yeah, it's flying good. Yeah, this thing has great range. The Zino 2. It's pretty great for the range. There's no issues with this thing with range. I didn't have any. And so the FEMI also, the FEMI X8. Yeah, really good. I just wanted to bring this thing out because I haven't had it out all summer, or basically this year. Since last year, it's like last September, I think, is the last time I had it out. So it's been actually more than a year. I mean, it's a beast, man. I mean, it's a big monster. This ain't no Mavic Mini, okay? This is more on line with your, you know, Evo 2 type stuff. Let me check the battery. Oh, we still got 70% battery. Oh yeah, by the way, these things have huge batteries, okay? These batteries in here are monsters. What else do they got on here? Waypoint, orbit, follow. Okay, let me set the point of interest. Altitude 14 meters. I guess. We'll try it. Okay, we're gonna exit that because I don't, you know, I could just do my own orbits, to be honest with you. Guys, I could just do my own orbits, okay? This orbiting. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pull off one of my own orbits here. Well, sometimes it takes a while to get this going right. There, I'm doing it right now. And then you just have to adjust the stick a little bit, you know? Yeah, like that, see? That worked out pretty good. You just go find your point of interest, point at it, and just do the sticks. And the sticks are, you just start it. I always start it with this one, with the right stick. And I start that motion there, and then I go with this one the opposite direction. So basically, you're just going like that. Okay, you go start it with this one, and then go make that one in. And this one's the one that rotates the quadcopter. This is just moving it. But this is the one that's actually rotating the quadcopter, the one on the left, the yaw stick. So that's how you do in the orbit right there. And I'm doing another one right now. Okay? And that's all you do. And then sometimes you have to adjust it because every quadcopter that I've ever messed with doing these, they all different. So you got to practice with the quadcopter you're using to get the hang of how, you know, if there's any oversteer or how precise the gimbals are, okay? This one is actually very precise. Some of them aren't, like say some of the toy ones or whatever. They're not as precise. Man, this Zino 2 is, wow. Man, I have to fly this thing more often. This thing is nice. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to bring it back. I still got 51% battery. Wow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it on that Apache thing. I'm probably not, so I'm gonna have to come down here to the sidewalk and land it. I didn't think I was going to be able to make it to the, yeah, make it on that little box. So, hey, so it goes. I will do the walk of shame up the hill. I've never hand caught this thing, so I don't know. I'll put the video in there and all that mumbo jumbo. You know how it goes. All right, guys, Zino 2. The legend lives on, right? The legend lives on. All right, guys, have a nice day.